Hey, what's going on everybody? Alex V here. I just want to make a quick video about kind of the warnings about buying the quad lock universal adapter. And you gotta excuse my hair, it's quarantine craziness right now. Nobody can get a haircut, including me. But anyways, I picked up this guy, which is the quad lock universal adapter. I picked it up about 5 months ago. I wanted to have the quad lock as like kind of a bike, like phone mount for my Specialized Tarmac. And well, long story short, I basically put the quad lock universal adapter on the back of my phone, connected to the connector, rode my bike, and next thing you know, the adhesive fell off of the universal adapter, sent my phone flying, and pretty much damaged my phone. And you can see this gnarly kind of damage on my phone. Then I was wondering basically why. Like, why did it happen? Why did adhesives? It's 3M. It's supposed to be really like sticky and adhesive. And why is it having issues? So I contacted the quad lock support team to try to figure it out. And what they told me specifically was this. I'm going to read it basically on the box. This will not adhere to rubber, silicone, TPU, or soft touch coatings. And basically what that means is a majority of the phone cases out there all have one of these kind of textures or surfaces. So you're pretty much limited now on what surfaces that you can adhere this quad lock adapter to. And basically, if you have some kind of metal, or glass, or really basic plastic casing, it'll work. But but in my case, all the cases I have is not compatible. So I got to rock the quad lock universal adapter on the back of my phone naked, and I'm not going to do that. It's just going to damage my phone if I drop it anymore. So, and I'm not blaming quad lock themselves. It's basically my fault. I should have read the the description or the back of the box. But this is why I'm making this video now, is to warn anyone who's looking to pick up this universal adapter that it's really limited when it comes to what surface this quad lock universal adapter adheres to. So anyways, that's my quick video for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace.